So you want to play mBit Casino in the United States. Well, that would be against the rules, but if you're going to do it anyway, you might as well do it the right way. Because if you try to use some sketchy VPN or some shady programs, you could end up getting your account shut down, or even worse, having hackers drain your entire Bitcoin wallet. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial of the safest way to use mBit Casino from the United States so that you don't end up screwing yourself over. Again, this is damage prevention, so I'm not trying to motivate you to sign up for an mBit account if you shouldn't be in the first place. But in this video, we're going to go over the best ways to buy cryptocurrency, to move into mBit, how to safely and securely access the platform, and then how to eventually transfer your winnings off the platform securely to your wallet. So let's start off with actually acquiring that cryptocurrency. Well, in general, Bitcoin is going to be your best option here, just in terms of ease of use. And when it comes to actually purchasing that Bitcoin and moving it into mBit, you've got a bunch of different options, but my personal choice is going to be Gemini. It's one of the most well-known and reputable crypto exchanges out there, and is where I choose to buy my cryptocurrency. There have also yet to be any real significant hacks of the Gemini platform, so in my view, it's one of the most secure options as well. And as some icing on the cake, they give you a free $10 in Bitcoin when you sign up using the link in the description below, which also does help to support the channel. So now I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how to acquire some Bitcoin on Gemini, which you can then transfer into mBit. So starting off here, you'll want to head to the description of the video, click on that Gemini link, and then it'll take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can see you'll receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you do sign up. So you'll press get started. It'll prompt you to create an account. And then once you get through that process, it'll take you to your Gemini dashboard. Now, I've already got an account all set up, so I'm just going to go to my dashboard and meet you guys there. So here we are on my Gemini dashboard. As you can see, I've already got some funds in my account, so yours will look the same, except under my portfolio, it will just say 0 instead of 633. But in order to fix that, we got to buy some Bitcoin. So how do we actually do that? Well, it's a very, very simple process. You'll see this Bitcoin right here. So just go over here to view details. You're going to press buy, how often, once, how much. You can pick however much Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Don't check this box. We'll press continue. Then you'll need to add a bank or debit card in order to get some funds to buy your Bitcoin. So we'll press add bank or debit card. Debit card is going to be a little bit of a faster option, but banks are going to have lower fees if you do an ACH transfer. So let's go with bank. That's what I personally recommend. You'll use Plaid to connect your bank to Gemini in a very secure way. And then it'll give you this list of banks to choose from. Let's say you bank with Chase. From here, you'll sign in to your Chase account, thus linking your Chase account and your Gemini account. And then when you come back to Gemini after doing that, it will look something like this, where it'll say select payment method. You'll click on your Chase Bank, or in this case, US Bank, and then you'll just press confirm. You'll see there's a bit of a fee there, and then that crypto will be purchased and deposited straight into your Gemini account, showing up right over here. Or if you go into Bitcoin, scroll down, you can see your Bitcoin. It'll show you how much Bitcoin you actually own in your Gemini account. So now that that's squared away, you've got some Bitcoin. The next step is to actually access the mBit platform. And in order to do that, you're going to need to use a VPN in order to spoof your location. Basically, the VPN allows you to access a site from an IP address different from your actual IP address. So instead of my US IP address, I could use, say, a Canadian IP address to access the platform. Then I'm going to have full access to all of the features. I can play whatever games I want. I can deposit funds, withdraw funds, all of that good stuff. That being said, if you want to do this right, you're going to need to use a good VPN, because a bad VPN can actually end up leaking your real IP address to mBit, in which case they could actually just close your account, not allow you to withdraw any of your crypto, and it is basically as good as gone. So you're going to want to use an actual high quality VPN. The one that I personally use is called ExpressVPN. It's one of the most well-known VPNs out there for a good reason. And if you sign up using the link in the description below, you can get up to 49% off an ExpressVPN plan, which is a pretty sweet deal they put together for my viewers. Now, in order to sign up for ExpressVPN, it's a very simple process. Again, you're going to head back down to the description, press that link, and then it'll take you to this page right here, where you can press this Get ExpressVPN button. It'll take you to this page where you can see this deal that I mentioned earlier, saving 49%. You'll go through this, you'll sign up for an account, and then from there, you'll head back to the ExpressVPN homepage, because what you're going to need to do is go over to products and get the Chrome extension for ExpressVPN. This is the easiest way to use it. It's going to allow you to quickly access any site you want and quickly access an IP address from virtually any country you want. So once you do that, it's going to show up here in your taskbar as this little red guy. You'll click on it. You can select whatever location you want to appear as though you're coming from. I like to use just Canada. Once you do that, it will connect. Now I'm connected, and any site that I visit thinks that I am coming from Canada, which is pretty snazzy. So now if we head on over to mBit, we can go through this sign up process, entering our email, password, and selecting Bitcoin. I'm going to go through that, and then I'll meet you guys on the inside. All right, so once you're signed in, you're going to be taken to this page, which might seem a little bit confusing, but it's actually the page that you're going to need in order to get funds into your mBit account. So this crazy string of characters right here is your depositing address for depositing Bitcoin into your mBit account. You're going to press copy on this, and then we're going to go back to Gemini to transfer some of your funds that you bought, some of your Bitcoin that you bought on Gemini into your mBit account. So coming back to Gemini here, we're going to go to transfer. We're going to say withdraw from Gemini. We're going to select our currency, which is going to be Bitcoin. We're going to press continue. For destination, we'll paste in that address that we copied over from mBit. We'll press continue. For the withdraw amount here, we're just going to enter, say we want to withdraw 0.0005, which is about $30 worth of Bitcoin. We'll press continue. And then when you press request withdraw, those funds are going to be moved from your Gemini account over to your mBit wallet right here. It's going to take a little bit of time for that deposit to actually settle and get confirmed on the blockchain. When it does, it'll show up down here in your transactions. Then from there, you'll be able to close out of this and pick whatever game you want and start playing. All the while, your current balance will show up here. And whenever you are done playing, you've hopefully won some cash and you want to withdraw it. What you're going to do is come back up here, click on your name, press withdraw. You're going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So your current balance will show here. You can just copy that. Let's say we have 0.0002 Bitcoin in our account that we want to withdraw. And then for address, you're going to need to get your Gemini address. So in order to get this, we're going to head back over to Gemini. And now instead of withdrawing from Gemini, we're going to be depositing to Gemini. Okay, we're moving our funds back from mBit over to Gemini. So we'll go back to transfer here. We'll say deposit into Gemini. We're going to deposit some Bitcoin. Press continue. This is your Gemini Bitcoin address. You're going to copy that. You're going to paste it over here under address, and then you'll press request cash out. Then again, it's the same process. It's going to take a little bit of time for your Bitcoin to successfully move from mBit back over to Gemini. Once that is fully confirmed, you'll see those funds show up in your Gemini account back on your Gemini dashboard right over here. Now, that is the absolute safest way to play mBit Casino in the United States. You can find links in the description and pinned comment below to both Gemini and ExpressVPN with those nice bonuses included. And if you're looking for more places to gamble with some cryptocurrency, here's another tutorial on how to sign up for another popular cryptocurrency gambling platform from the United States. So check that video out and I'll see you over there.